Hey, homesteaders and those going off grid and being self-sustainable and finding self-sustaining ways. Came across this a solar shower. Says uses solar energy to heat water for all your washing needs. Caution: solar shower water can attain temperatures in excess of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. After several hours in the sun, test before using and add cold water as needed. This container is not to be used for drinking water. Directions for use, and sorry I'm reading it sideways because I'm kind of in a way I can't go to the other direction, but anyway. Caution, now I'm on directions for use. Before using, rinse the container with 1 tablespoon of baking soda and warm water. On top of that too, I'm reading it on the camera. I should probably just try to read it on it. Fill the container with water and place on a flat surface so that the clear side is exposed to direct sunlight. And 3, in most cases, the water should be hot in approximately 3 hours. See the chart. Water flow is controlled by moving the valve switch back and forth. So this doohickey over here. Whoa, I moved it too far. I need a tripod or something to selfie stick, but apparently it's supposed to come out anyway. But moving it back and forth makes it come out. Let's see if we can one-hand this. See, there you go. But the chart for the sun is over here. So I just found it around and thought, I'll experiment with it today and see, even though today is not gonna be, that thing is heavy, it's not gonna be that, it won't be as warm. I only get into the 60s, I think 68, so I don't know if I need to let the air bubble out or not, but I guess we'll experiment and see as we go. But so that's something I wanted to try out and see how that goes. If anybody has any experience with it, let me know. Alright, take it easy.